Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, you all know I love Higgsfield.ai. The main reason is their amazing models. Talking about image generation, talking about video generation, whatever Higgsfield.ai brings amazing models to the live. And their website is filled with so many amazing stuff that you can do in a single website. Now, in past, you have seen I've done a couple of videos talking about Higgsfield.ai, and now Higgsfield.ai is back again. And this time they are back with Higgsfield Soul 2.0. Now, this is an image generation model and it is literally amazing. Soul 2.0 model is specifically created for fashion aware, for creator, for culture native image generation. So it is amazing tool. In today's video, we are gonna see definitely Soul 2.0. I will be sharing my experience with you, typing some prompts over here and share how this model is amazing. So let's get to it, and now let's get to the desktop. Okay, so we are on Higgsfield.ai. Links are given in the description, and people have created a lot of stuff over here. As you can see, this is Higgsfield Soul 2.0, and this is what we are going to talk about in today's video. There is a lot of stuff, lot of different presets, amazing image creation. I am so excited. So let's get into it. First of all, we're going to do a small intro. So this is Higgsfield.ai. What you can do is you can choose text or image as your starting point. As you can see editorial level aesthetics, which looks nice. So you are going to up your game on your social network using this tool. Unmatched realism. Soul 2.0 delivers natural textures and lifelike authenticity to every visual story. One click for instant aesthetic, which is amazing. You can literally create different sort of characters, and Soul 2.0 also offers character consistency with Soul ID, which is amazing in itself. So yeah, Soul 2.0 is amazing. Really excited for this one. This is a blog where every other detail is mentioned regarding Soul 2.0. The links are given in the description. If you want to go, you can read the blog. It tells that how many presets are available. There are more than around 20 created presets are available. I'm going to show those presets in a minute to you, and these are the details regarding presets. So I am quite excited about it. I'm hoping that you're also quite excited about this. So let's get into it. Okay, so I am in Soul 2.0 right now. Links are again given in the description. This is the Soul 2.0. It looks like I actually created 3 images over here, but we will talking about everything in detail. Now over here, you can describe your scene that you want to create. You can describe whatever you can imagine. You can describe over here, or you can also give an image as a starting point if you want to just tap on this plus button. From here, you can choose the model. Soul 2.0 is for the way to go for us, and from here you can choose the ratio of the image. There are much different options available. Over here you can go for the quality 1.5K, or even you can go up to 2K, which is insane. You can also add characters if you want to. You can create your own characters in Soul 2.0 using Soul ID, which is again. Now this is the best part, and this is where the all presets are. Now tap on this, you will see tons of presets over here. There is a journal, then there's a warm ambient, there is Y2K Studio, swag era. I mean, like, the list goes on. Now, if you see these images over here, I created these 3 images with different preset. Now this one image was created in a general preset. This was image created in a street photography, and this was created in a warm ambient. But now I'm gonna create more stuff over here. So I have already prompts over here. So I'm gonna copy some prompts over here, and now I'm gonna generate, and I'm gonna generate in general, and then we will change the preset to see how this works. So let me generate this over here. Now as you can see, process just started, and it is now generating that image, and I will keep everything same. I'm gonna change the preset. So I'm gonna this time choose, I don't know, I am gonna choose maybe warm ambient this time, and this is the image created according to this one. That looks super cool. And you know what is the best part from here? You can get directly animate from here. I can take this to the next level. So now the preset is changed, whole prompt is same. So I'm just gonna create again. Let's see what is gonna create again with the same prompt but a different preset. I'm gonna select another one. Maybe this time we can go with double exposure. Okay, I would like to have the double exposure thing. So I'm gonna create the next one in the double exposure. I'm just gonna tap, and you can see it is creating multiple images at the same time. This is Higgsfield.ai, Higgsfield Soul 2.0, which is amazing, super amazing tool. Again, all the links are given in the description. And as you can see, it is for now generating same prompt with two different presets, which is superbly cool. No, oh my god, so aesthetic. Look at this, so beautiful, looks really great. And this one is the another one. Now I'm gonna go and create maybe this one looks nice over here. I'm gonna create this one just to show you. And the preset I'm gonna choose is the double exposure. By the way, over here looks great. And the preset I'm gonna choose is going to be this time maybe retro BW. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so I just generated this one over here, and you can see how amazing it looks in retro with this mafia boss. So that is super good. Why not let's try this one in warm ambient this time. And I'm definitely gonna love this one this time. And it looks super cool how amazing it is. And it keeps everything so consistent, like just loving it. Feel of retro is not only on this person, it is there on the window, it is there on everywhere. This is what Soul 2.0 is all about, which is superbly amazing. So it is generating same mafia boss prompt, but this time in a warm ambient. Oh, this looks so much great. The warm ambient preset is my favorite one, honestly, guys. Just love it how amazing Higgsfield Soul 2.0 is. Superbly cool, amazing. I want to share some more stuff over here with you guys. Okay, so this is the image created by Higgsfield Soul 2.0, and this is the animated version that looks super cool. And look the depth of this image. This is great. Here is another one. Can you see how amazing it is? The way it is, how the sunshine is coming around. This is only possible with the Higgsfield 2.0, honestly. Okay, so this is another example of depth and how real it looks. You can see how real the skin looks in this animated version, also in the Higgsfield Soul 2.0. Superbly amazing. So yes, Higgsfield 2.0 is available now on Higgsfield.ai. Links are given in the description if you want to try out. This is a great AI image generation tool. You can go and try this out right away. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.